Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Sunday, and it is Renew Your Spirit Day. We have a 2-layer cake. Routines, renew your spirit. That is it. So today, here's what you're going to do. You're going to get up in the morning before the family and do your morning routine. Wake your family up and put them through their morning routine. Last night you talked to them about the fact that today is Renew Your Spirit Day or Church Day or whatever you want to call it. And so we're going to get up in the morning and go out to church. So clothes have been laid out the night before, including yours. So you're going to be all dressed, the beds are going to be made, the bathroom's going to be clean, breakfast is going to be had by all, the dishes have been put away, and you go happily out the door to church. When you come back, you're going to do a quick clutter check just to make sure that there's no clutter, and enjoy your day with your family with a renewed spirit. It's always such a refreshing thing for you. It's a reboot to the week. And then you're going to fix a nice dinner, pardon me, and then after dinner, everyone's going to help with the after dinner routine. You're going to have another clutter check in the middle of the day, and then again, maybe you have a small supper tonight. I always think you have a bigger dinner on this day, but maybe you don't. It's fine with me. Just know that you're having a clutter check in the middle of the day, clutter check at the end of the day, and an after dinner routine somewhere in there. You're going to check your planner in the morning. You're going to check your planner when you do your before bed routine, which comes after the kiddos, and then you are going to go to bed and be ready for tomorrow. Now, if your kids are in school, make sure that the week is planned out in your planner and in your head. You've got their lunches ready, or they've got their lunches ready. Their stuff is by the front door. That's your launch pad. So their book bags or their backpacks, their shoes, jackets, anything that you might need. I know it's warm right now, but at least it is here. But anything you might need, you want to have by that front door. Any projects, make sure the papers that need to be signed at the beginning of the year have been signed and are in those backpacks. So you're responsible, not your children. They are responsible for their work, but all that other stuff is you. And you're responsible for your kids to make sure that your kids are ready for school in the morning. They are responsible for their work, okay? All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.